In the last week of July, Samsung will hold a Galaxy Unpacked event, the company has officially announced. The event will take place between July 24th and July 28th. While the dates have not been made official, rumors point to July 26th as a possibility. The Galaxy Unpacked event will be held in Samsung's home nation for the first time this year. Samsung originally launched the Unpacked event in Las Vegas in 2010, and since then, it has organized other events in important locations throughout the globe, including New York, Berlin, London, and Barcelona. Samsung, however, plans to change the direction of Unpacked for foldable devices for the next event in Seoul by emphasizing different trend-setting cultural locations across the world that closely fit the intended subject of each event. The firm claims that Seoul was selected as the location because of its capacity to shape global trends via its vibrant culture and inventive spirit. This choice also demonstrates how confident the company is in the foldable market. Samsung, a South Korean company, is working to increase the use of its foldable phones and to solidify its position as the market and category leader. Samsung is anticipated to introduce the 5th-generation Galaxy Z Flip 5, Z Fold 5, Galaxy Watch 6 series, and Galaxy Tab S9 lineup at the forthcoming Galaxy Unpacked event. In the next weeks, we may anticipate Samsung to send out formal invitations that include the date of the Unpacked event. There were some crazy rumors floating around a while ago that the next Samsung Z Fold will have a larger 108MP main sensor for its primary camera. Unfortunately, if recent leaks are to be believed, the rumor will probably be untrue. However, we anticipate seeing the same 50 megapixels with a new sensor that enhances picture quality and offers additional camera functionality. There are no rumors about modifications to the telephoto and ultra-wide cameras, but there may be more than one shooter who receives a sensor update since some of the rumors concerning new sensors are ambiguous about which cameras and how many would get one. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.